outside. Today I'm out and I have my swing here. I'm going to show you what Princess Dot do, okay? First, Princess, I'm going to have one tiara. There you go. Glamorous. Princess Dot do play with the scissor. Let me show you. Princess Dot play with it with scissor. Let me show you the video. Start it now. Let's do it. Why Princess Dot play with a scissor? Ow, 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 ow. I think I know what it makes sense too. See that video? So, Princess Dot messy her hair. Like this video. Please, quiet, please. Quiet. Don't mess her house. Let's do a video. Ew. That video, though it's glamorous. Statue. Princess look gonna be fabulous, like her solar flower. So every day, her just keep on flower, you know, like this. Oh, little flower, you are so cute. Like glamorous, glamorous. Start for is Princess gonna be so beautiful. I mean, not beautiful, but her gonna so great. I mean, it's be her eyeshadow, her makeup, lips, and the last one is Princess Dot play. Princess just sit and Princess just do what a glamorous thing, okay, like this. But sometimes Princess boring, like this. I just sit under the chair and Claire. This bed, it's boring, but everything. I am princess. Just gonna do that. See that video? So bye. Thank you for watching this glamorous day. So bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And leave a comment. What your favorite part? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, or Part 5? Okay? Just leave a comment.